Pallacanestro, Trieste and Udine are set to compete in the Italian Basketball Cup's Final 8, taking place in February 18th through 22nd in Turin. The tournament brings together the top teams in the country and marks a significant moment for Friuli, Venezia, Giulia, with both of its leading clubs advancing to one of Italy's most prominent domestic basketball events.
La regione Friuli Giulia, con due squadre come l'Apu e Trieste, riescano a garantire una visibilità importante a questo territorio e ai valori dello sport di questo territorio. Ovviamente facciamo i migliori auguri per questa stagione a entrambe le squadre e noi siamo partner importante delle due società perché vogliamo promuovere, esattamente come facciamo con gli altri sport, attraverso lo sport il territorio.
It's not a matter of which team is the best, but what we could bring to the region of Friuli. We are very enthusiastic to be here today,
We're looking forward to playing Gran Canaria tonight, and we're very much in the mix to qualify for the quarterfinals of the Basketball Champions League also. So we're optimistic.
And the region is also sponsoring APU Udine. How do you feel about that?
As someone who lives in the world of trying to find support for the team, to pay bills, and to move the movement of the team forward, I certainly sympathize with the people in Udine as well. And so,
two different experiences. A few years apart. I enjoyed my experience when I was in Trieste a few years ago, and I'm really enjoying my experience now. So.
I am happy to be part of the organization of Pallacanestro Trieste. I'm happy that Udine is back in Serie A, and we can. I am so we can battle, and that's the most important thing.